Now, something that learners of Irish are often surprised by is the fact that we have the same word in Irish for both foot and leg. Now, perhaps that's not ideal, but we do have plenty of lovely words for individual parts of the foot and individual parts of the leg. So I thought today that we take a look at some of those. So I'm going to start at the top of the leg and work my way down to the very bottom, the tip of the foot. But first of all, let's take that word for both foot and leg in Irish. That word is cuss. Cuss. One more time, cuss. Okay, so let's start with the thigh. An Irish word for thigh is caharoo. Caharoo. And again, caharoo. Another word is lesh. Lesh. And again, lesh. And we can use this word lesh if we want to say thigh bone. And that is knov na leshe. Knov na leshe. And again, knov na leshe. So knov is the word for bone, lesh is thigh. The thigh in its genitive singular form is na leshe, the bone of the thigh. Okay, moving down to the knee. The Irish word for knee is gluin. Gluin. And again, gluin. And this same word, gluin, is also the word for generation in Irish. So if you wanted to say from generation to generation, as in the means by which gaeilge or folklore is passed down or transmitted from generation to generation, we say o gluin go gluin. O gluin go gluin. O gluin go gluin. Okay, so moving down from the knee to the calf. The calf in Irish is culpa. 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 And then on the front of the lower leg we have the shin. And the Irish word for shin is luraga. Luraga. And again, luraga. As we move down, we meet the ankle, and the Irish word for ankle is routine. Routine. And again, routine. The Irish word for heel is soil. Soil. And again, soil. And then the sole of the foot. So the Irish word for sole is bown. Bown. And again, bown. If we want to say the sole of the foot, we'll say bown na cushe. Bown na cushe. Bown na cushe. The sole of the foot. So here we have bown for sole, then na cushe, the foot. Again, here it's in its genitive singular form. Okay, so moving on to the toe. The Irish word for toe is lyre. Lyre. And again, lyre. We have big toes and small toes. The Irish word for big toe is lyre vuor. Lyre vuor. Lyre vuor. The Irish term for big toe. The Irish term for little toe is lyre viog. Lyre viog. And again, lyre viog. And this brings us to the very tip, my own least favourite part of my own anatomy, the toenail. Gaeilge. Gaeilge. And again, gaeilge.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.